Stop scrolling. If you use Gmail on your Android phone, there is one hidden setting inside Gmail that could make it easier for scammers to trick you into opening dangerous links. And the scary part, most people never even know this setting exists. Today, I'll show you the simple change you can make in less than 2 minutes to add an extra layer of protection to your phone. If you have a Gmail account, this affects you because almost every Android phone user has Gmail installed and scammers know exactly how to use it. They create fake emails that look completely real, delivery messages, bank alerts, account warnings, and special offers. One wrong tap could take you to a dangerous website. So let me show you how to protect yourself. Step 1. Change Gmail link settings. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Look at the top left corner and tap the three lines menu icon. Now scroll down and tap Settings. Next, choose General Settings. Scroll all the way down until you find Open Web Links in Gmail. This option is usually turned on. That means when you tap a link inside an email, Gmail opens that website inside the Gmail app. For better protection, turn this option off. Now, whenever you open a link, it will send you to your normal browser, like Chrome, where you get stronger security features. A small setting change, but it can make a big difference. Step 2. Secure links from other apps. But we are not finished yet. Your phone has another setting that can affect how links open. Sometimes Android opens links directly inside apps instead of your browser. Here is how to check it. Open your phone's settings, tap Apps. Now choose Default Apps. Look for an option called Opening Links, tap it. You will now see a list of apps on your phone. Open the apps you use often, like messaging or social apps. Check the link settings and choose Open in Browser instead of opening links inside the app. This way, websites will open through your secure browser instead. These two small changes take less than 2 minutes, but they can help you avoid many dangerous links and scams. Remember, scammers depend on people leaving default settings unchanged. Now you know where to find them. Go and check your Gmail settings right now. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips, tricks, and security updates.